In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add WhatsApp button on Shopify store. Adding a WhatsApp button to your Shopify store is a simple way to let visitors contact you quickly while they are browsing your products. Instead of searching for a contact page or sending an email, customers can tap the button and start a conversation right away. This can be helpful for answering product questions, handling order inquiries, or giving shoppers extra confidence before they buy. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the Shopify App Store. Once you are in the App Store, use the search bar to look for a WhatsApp chat app. You can search for terms like WhatsApp chat, WhatsApp button, or a specific app name such as Dondi or Forma. You may see several different options, so take a moment to choose the one that fits what you need. Look for an app that supports a floating WhatsApp button and works with your Shopify theme. After you have selected the app you want to use, open its app listing page. On that page, click Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to review the permissions the app needs before continuing. Take a moment to read through the permissions, then approve the installation if everything looks correct. This connects the app to your store so you can configure the WhatsApp button from inside Shopify. Once the installation is complete, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. The app should guide you to its main setup area. Here you will need to enter your WhatsApp phone number, including the correct country code. Make sure the number you enter is the one you want customers to contact. This is important because the button will use this number to open the WhatsApp chat. Double-check the country code and the number before moving on, because a small mistake could send customers to the wrong contact. Next, customize how the button will look on your store. Most WhatsApp chat apps will let you adjust the button design, such as the icon style, button shape, or color. Choose a design that is easy to notice but still matches your store's branding. You can also choose the button position. A common option is the bottom right corner of the screen, because it is easy for visitors to find without covering important content. In the same settings area, customize the default welcome message text. This is the message that customers may see when they start a chat with you. Keep it short, friendly, and clear. For example, you can use a simple greeting that lets customers know they can ask questions about products or orders. Avoid including any private information in this message, and make sure it sounds professional. When you are happy with the button design, position, and message, save your changes inside the app. This step is important because the settings will not be applied until they are saved. After saving, the app configuration is ready, but there is usually one more place in Shopify where you need to activate the button. Now go back to your Shopify dashboard and open Online Store, then click Themes. Find your active theme, which is the theme currently being used on your live store. Next to that theme, click Customize. This will open the Shopify theme editor where you can control how your storefront looks and which app features are active. Inside the theme editor, look at the left sidebar menu and click App Embeds. This option is usually shown with a cube icon. App Embeds are used to turn app features on or off inside your theme. Since the WhatsApp button is powered by the app you just installed, this is where you enable it for your storefront. Find your installed WhatsApp app in the App Embeds list. Once you see it, toggle the switch to On. This tells Shopify to display the WhatsApp button on your store using the settings you already configured in the app. If the switch is off, the app may be installed, but the button may not appear on the storefront. Finally, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. This makes the WhatsApp button live on your Shopify store. After saving, you can visit your storefront and check that the button appears in the position you selected. If everything was set up correctly, customers will now be able to tap the button and start a WhatsApp conversation with your store. And that is all there is to it.